Echo, you need to come down off the side. Echo, you can't. You're gonna fall in the water dish. She's upside down on the crate. She is currently Spider Cat. Echo, what are you doing? You silly creature. Look at you. Have a sniff of your sister again.
Hello.
Bobby, stop growling at her. She's your sister. Bobby.
Is Echo growling back?
No, Echo's not making a peep. And now she's making a peep.
She's trying to escape.
She is trying to escape.
She's frightened.
And there goes the water dish again. I'm going to take that water dish out.
Yeah.
Because she's just tipping it over. Or I'll move it anyway. Echo.
Oh.
You can't come out, baby. Good girl. You can't get out.
You think she'd let you nurse her?
No. I had her in my hands with the gloves on and she were struggling to get out of my hands. She just needs a day to chill out.
Yeah. And then try and nurse her tomorrow.
So when I've done watching these two have a sniff of each other, well, I'm gonna put one of the towels up top. I'm gonna put it over the front of the cage.
Yeah.
Trap her in a bit and let her feel a bit more secure. Because she's being Spider Cat at the minute.
Don't cry, sweetie.
She's obviously not happy, but
She's not.
she'll get better in time.
Used to it. It's strange to her.
It is. It's her first day. She's never known humans like this before,
right.
so
She's always been in a field and
yeah, in a hedge.
not known anything.
Why are you being so mean? Why are you being mean to your sister?
Because somebody who's on her territory. She got to protect it.
Echo. Echo. Hello, pretty girl. Good girl, Echo.